In this video, we will see how we can use the laws of exponents to multiply and divide real numbers with order greater than 2. But first, let's review the 4 most commonly used laws of exponents. 2 raised to 3 multiplied by 2 raised to 2 equals 2 raised to 3 plus 2. When two numbers with the same base are multiplied, we add the exponents over the base. A raised to m multiplied by a raised to n equals a raised to m plus n. This is called the product law. 2 raised to 3 divided by 2 raised to 2 equals 2 raised to 3 minus 2. Here too, the base was the same. The quotient law says that a raised to m divided by a raised to n will equal a raised to m minus n. The product law and the quotient law are the ones we will use most often. There are 2 more simple laws we need to understand. 2 raised to 3, the whole raised to 2, will equal 2 raised to 3 multiplied by 2. Here we just multiplied the exponents. A raised to m, the whole raised to n, equals a raised to m multiplied by n. Do not forget the parenthesis. Without the parenthesis, it will have a completely different meaning. And here's the last one. 3 raised to 2 multiplied by 5 raised to 2 equals 3 multiplied by 5, the whole raised to 2. Here we multiply two numbers with the same exponent and a different base. A raised to n multiplied by b raised to n equals a multiplied by b, the whole raised to n. So these are the 4 basic laws of exponents we need to keep in mind while multiplying and dividing real numbers with order greater than 2. So let's look at a couple of examples. Root 5 multiplied by cube root of 5. While multiplying real numbers with order greater than 2, it's recommended that we write the number in exponential form. Root 5 can be written as 5 raised to 1 by 2 and cube root of 5 can be written as 5 raised to 1 by 3. Since two numbers with the same base are multiplied, we can use the product law and write it as 5 raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Now what do? Do we leave it here? No, as the question is in radical form, we have to leave the answer 2 in radical form. So we solve this exponent 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. That equals 3 plus 2 by 6, which is 5 by 6. So we can write this as 5 raised to 5 by 6. Now it gets interesting. How do we write this in radical form? Here's the trick. 5 by 6 can be written as 5 multiplied by 1 by 6. So this can be written as 5 raised to 5 multiplied by 1 by 6. Now you should get the hint. Consider 5 raised to 5 as one number. Yes, raised to 1 by 6 actually means we are looking at the 6th root of this number. So this can be written as 6th root of 5 raised to 5. Once we get the answer in radical form, we have to see if it's the simplest form. Yes, this cannot be reduced further. So that's our final answer. You could see how writing the numbers in exponential form helped us multiply two real numbers with order greater than 2. We will see a couple of more examples in the next part of the video.